Arun seems to be enjoying himself on the X-Pulse. The X-Pulse for him is so much more of a versatile motorcycle than his Himalayan. So he's almost always on his X-Pulse now. But I love the Himi, and the Himi is way more than the average Himi. So yeah. So yep, 2 bikes, 2 fellas, friends for over 27 years, 25, 26 years, huh? And let's see what kind of nonsense we end up doing today. Yep, heading back on track. This is cool. My. Nikra. So that's the first crash of the day. Oh God, that was a big hit, man. Whoa. So if you guys think this is easy stuff, this isn't. Let me tell you that this is definitely not easy. A lot of aberrations. I don't know if the camera can capture this. This is ups and downs continuously. Unless you're used to this kind of landscape, you don't understand pace. It's not about traction. This is about the right pace, the right throttling. You can be too fast and you try and split lanes here. Think of this as lanes. If you try and split these lanes, then you're asking for trouble, because this is quite deep. This is about 7-8 inches of depth between one and the other. So if you want to split lanes, you have to be very, very careful and aware. And a standing posture. This is when I think Arun fell down because he was sitting. This is where the standing posture helps. You can let the bike move underneath you comfortably. The bike can skid, but you will still not fall. You will jump at the most. You will not fall with the bike. Nice hit in the knee. and the calves. Fella has a race tomorrow. Oh God. Oh God. So that's the crash only because of lane splitting. Let me help you. Oh, there you go. Shift lever bent. Looks more like the alphabet S now. wait. Shakti kalikannada. Enne tools undu. And then crash guard bent. Handlebar. I've always said the factory handlebar is made up of cheese. There you go. Classic example of what goes on. Handlebar bent, fork straight, wheel straight, all good. So this is the order of the day with enduro riding. Enduro riding, even if it is at a slow pace, it's not easy. Yeah, so the only thing, he was sitting and he was trying to catch up to me and split lanes, and that is what got to him.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യുമോ?
അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പം കുറച്ചുകൂടെ അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
അതാണ് ഓക്കെ. മാറ്റം
ഇതിനെ ചവിട്ടിയേക്കാം.
ആ വരും.
കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് കൂടെ വേണേൽ എഡിറ്റർ പോകും. ഡൺ.
ഹാൻഡ് ബാറിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും?
അപ്പുറത്ത് പിടിക്കും.
ഓക്കെ,
നീ അപ്പുറത്ത് പോകും.
ആ
കുറച്ചും കൂടെ. നീ അപ്പുറത്ത് ചവിട്ട്.
എപ്പോഴാ?
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് തിരിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് ചവിട്ട്. അങ്ങോട്ട് ചവിട്ട്, ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊള്ളുക.
ഓക്കെ, റെഡി ആയിട്ട് വന്നു. ഓക്കെ,
ഇത് മാനേജ് പണം.
ഓക്കെ. ഈ സാധനം എടുത്തേക്കാം.
ரோடுக்கு
இப்படி தான் ரிட்டர்ன் இந்த பக்கம் தான் போகும்.
அப்படி வழி இருக்கா? இன்னும் எவ்வளோ தூரம் போனால் ரோடு கிடைக்கும்? ஏதாவது ஒரு ரோடு
கொஞ்சம்
தூரத்தை போனால் வந்துடும். உங்கள் வீடு
அங்கே தான் இருக்குது.
சும்மா சுற்றி உள்ள வந்துடும்.
ஒரு 50 மீட்டர்ஸில் லேக் இருக்கு. இங்கே கலர் வேறு செம்மையாக இருக்குது, பார்க்கலாமா? Where? Well, that sums up the day. Arun getting hurt, a lot of nonsense, a lot of different terrain, motorcycles going through all kinds of shit. But it is flat ground, it is not at an angle, at an elevation. Not testing the motorcycle's limits, but a ride that, there's a difference between a ride that is a pleasurable ride and a ride that is a challenge. This is definitely nowhere near a challenge. This is just us having a good time on our motorcycles. And of course, both of us are not wearing the right gear. I have a broken shoulder, literally broken shoulder, and I will get it fixed. My subscapularis muscle is torn. I don't know to what degree. The doctor says it's a medium tear, but we'll have to see. I believe it's a medium tear. Only because of that I get to do all this. Otherwise I would have had a difficult time. So yeah, we'll see. And that's a wrap for today. We'll see you guys on another one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.